Hello student, today I am going to discuss about the series part. In the previous video I have already explained about how to create a data frame and differences between data frame, panel and series, all these things. You can view that particular video. Without any further delay, I am going to discuss about how to create a series. So we can create a series by using a sequence type and by using a scalar or constant value and by using dictionary and by using mathematical expression. Sequence, there are three types: list, tuple and string. List, already you know. List, it is a collection of different elements enclosed with a square bracket, that is called as list. So we can create a series by using list. Import pandas as PD. Pandas, it is a library, and PD, it is an alias name. What is alias name? It is an alternative name of pandas library. So S1 is equal to PD dot series, and we have defined here data part is 2, 3, 5. I have not mentioned any index part, and its index part by default it will be 0, 1, 2. Okay, and by using the tuple part we have already declared S2 is equal to PD dot series 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, and already you know what is a tuple. I am not going to discuss about what is a tuple. You have already done in class 11th. So output will be 0, 1, 2, same output will be produced. A string part, through the string we can create a series by using PD dot series APC book. Suppose it is an example, so its index part will be 0 and output will be like this, and data type will be object type. Next one is dictionary. Already you know what is a dictionary. Dictionary is a key value pair. Actually it is a combination of key value pair and dictionary. I am just giving you a very short example. D1 is equal to A colon 2 comma B colon 3. So I am creating a series S4. It is different from other series S4 PD dot series, and here data part is D1. In this series we don't have to declare its index part, and index part will be already A, B part, and here output is A, B, and data type will be 2, 3. And the last, and the mathematical expression. Actually mathematical expression, it is very lengthy topic, and we can perform all mathematical operations, and I have just going to giving you some simple examples. Whenever you will write print S12 and its data value will be multiplied 2 times. Okay, next one is a scalar or a constant value. A scalar means it is a same type of value, and we can create a series by using a scalar value. In this type, it totally, that a scalar value will be repeated as how many times you have declared an index value. Here see an example. I have written here S5 is equal to PD dot series, and I am writing here 5 comma index A colon B, and its output will be A5 B5. Actually 5 value it will be repeated. And thanks a lot for viewing my channel. Like, subscribe and comment if